Hello everyone, my name is Himika and I welcome you to learn another engaging activity that we can create to engage our learners. Now here, if you see, I have two columns with me, one of an subject, another of the object. Now here, I'm trying to teach my students the concept of sentence formation and subject and predicate. Now here I have few subjects with me. We all know that subject is the doer of an action and object is the receiver of an action, right? Now here I have a dice. So with each of these subjects, I have a number associated. For instance, the subject 1 is this boy who has tears in his eyes. This two is a teacher. Third is a girl. Fourth are two brothers or two boys. Fifth is a girl who's brushing her teeth. Sixth is a boy, or rather, I would say he's a lazy boy. Now, I look forward to elicit responses from my students. Now, as I roll the dice here by clicking on it, it will reflect a number. Now, this number would be with respect to the object that I need to choose with the subject. For example, for subject 1, which is the boy crying, let me choose the object. So let me roll the dice. Number 3, so I have an ant here. So I need to choose subject, which is a boy who's crying, a crying boy, and an ant. So let's look forward to create one uh, sentence with it. So I can say, the boy started crying after seeing an ant. Now, in this way, you can have multiple round with your students. Ask them to make as many sentences as they can. Let's take one more example. Let's take for subject number 4, which is these two boys together. Let's click on the object. Number 6, which says apple. So I can say the brothers are fond of eating apple. Right? So in this way, you can make an engaging interactive activity to teach any concept, any subject, and any grade. Do give it a try and mention in the comment section if you like this activity. Let us learn how we can create this activity. To do that, let me add a new page by clicking here. Now I'm on the new page and from the main toolbar here, I need to create a table. So I want a table here. Here I have a table with me. You can add as many columns and as many rows as you want. I can resize them as well. Okay, let me, because here I want look forward for a sentence. Now here I want to add an image. To add an image from the main toolbar, click on magic box, click on image option, look for an option. For example, I want the apple. So now you can see I have multiple images. Whichever you like, just drag and drop it on the screen. You'll have that image on the my viewboard page. Now here you can see I have this apple's image. Now let me just resize it a bit. Okay. Now let me drag it to the object size. Now let me take one more option, which is here I want, let's say, a mango. All right, so I have a mango image here. Let me quickly resize it. and it is here. So I'll put it here as an object. Now here, if I want, I can add the image or I can write something as well. So let me use the text box to write something. For example, I'll say students, I'll say grandparents. Now these are my subject and these are my objects. And I look forward to get a sentence from them here. Right? Now, keeping the same thing, same activity in mind, I've named them as 1, 2. You can also, put a picture here of a dice, just the way it was shown in the activity. Now, to roll a dice, I'll go to the magic box here, go to the tool option. Here, there is a dice. Just drag and drop the dice on the screen, and I have a dice with me. So now for the subject, which is student, let us roll what do I want. So we'll only take 1 and 2 as option right now. Okay, 5 we don't have, 2. So students and mangoes. Keeping students as subjects and mangoes as objects, let's try to frame a sentence. Now in this way, I have created this activity. I hope you enjoyed learning this activity and you will have a great time using this activity in your classes.